Hi, my name is Patrick and this video should tell you about the MHRD course at JBIMS. They come up with a form, so if you're interested in HRD, it's a good college to apply to. JBIMS is anywhere in our top 10 college and they have a separate MHRD course with 30 seats. So good option, a good college to apply to as such. So let's look at the details about it. We do run training for MBA Entrance Exam for more than 23 years. So the forms are out. It's from 11 June to 24 June, the forms for MHRD. Student intake for MHRD is 30 students. You can go to the website to get more information about MHRD course, but yes, 30 students is the intake. Now how is the selection taken place? A little different from MSc Finance. MSc Finance also the same dates, 11 June to 24 June, but the selection process is a little different. I mean, one is a percentage minimum percentage criteria. For MHRD, the percentage criteria is slightly lower. For MSc Finance, it was 95 and 97. For MSc Finance, it's 85 percentile for CAT. For CET 90 percentile, for reserve candidate 75 and 80 percentile. They have a criteria for 10, 12 graduation, but yes, this is the CAT 24 and CET 25 percentile required for MHRD course. Now, apart from that, you will have in-person assessment. So if you are shortlisted based on your scores, I mean this minimum percentage will not guarantee you your selection or calls. It's just the minimum that you can apply to it. There's a high chance that if you only got 90-91 percentile in CET, you will not get a call. Maybe the cutoff may go to 97-98 percentile, so only people with above that will go. But yes, if you're eligible and if you're interested in HRD, there's no harm in applying. You can apply and try to keep. So in-person assessment has group activity, which is 40 marks, interview, which is 50 marks, and written ability test, which is a 300-word essay, which is statement of purpose. You can prepare yourself about it. So this is the in-person assessment. So your final selection will be based on this. Once you get shortlisted, then look at the in-person assessment, prepare for it and try to get selected for MHRD course. Right? Hope this helps. If you're interested in MHRD, this is one of the last colleges that are remaining. There is Dalmia HRD which is there. But yes, that's the JBIMS HRD would be in a different league. And if you get in, could be worth it. If you do well out here, you should be able to get a good placements. Hope this helps. Thank you.